What are you doing wrong when you're renting a car? There are a few things that common sense would tell you not to do, but for a lot of people in the world, they need to make conscious efforts to avoid doing them. Hello everybody, this is Devin from RoadTripCentral, and I've had quite a few people ask me what I do to get good deals on rental cars during my travels. And that's a big question. There's a lot that I do in order to get free upgrades or better rates on my rentals. But more importantly, there's a lot that I don't do. And that's what you need to know right now. Here's 3 easy rules to remember. Rule number 1, don't be a jerk to the employees. Like I said, this should be common sense, but while I was working at a rental car company, I noticed that at least 20% of the customers I had were in nasty moods. And it doesn't matter how long a day you've had, how many crying babies you sat next to on the plane, or why your personal car is at the mechanics. Being rude or even just generally unpleasant will not help you get on the good side of the rental car employees. And how likely do you think it is that they'll hook you up with this sweet ride if you're treating them like trash? Just be nice. Rule number 2, don't feel entitled. This is similar to rule number 1, so let me clarify the difference. You can be the nicest person on the planet, but that doesn't mean you're going to get a discount or a free upgrade. I'm not saying don't try to get a free upgrade, I'm just saying don't expect one. You are not entitled to anything outside of what you had set in the reservation. It doesn't matter who your daddy is or how much money you make in your executive level job. There's a lot of behind the scenes stuff that's going on at a rental car branch that you might not know about. So sometimes, even if they want to give you a free upgrade, they simply just can't. And if that's the case, you just have to smile and be understanding. You can shoot for a free upgrade next time. Rule number 3, don't be late. Again, this is related to rule number 1. When you show up to pick up your car and you really have to be somewhere in 10 minutes, you aren't giving yourself or the rental car employee any time to work the magic. If you're in a hurry, they're going to end up putting you in the exact car you reserved. No discount, no upgrade, just so they can get you out the door and onto your next commitment as quickly as possible. So if you're looking for a special deal, make sure you give yourself a wide window to work with, both when you're picking up the car and when you're dropping it off. These 3 rules are at the core of working out free upgrades or discounts when you're renting a car, but there are a few more specific methods that I use to make sure I have the best rental experience possible. If you're interested in learning the secret ways, let me know in the comments below, and I'll put out another video on that. Until then, if you're looking for some awesome deals on the best rental cars, remember these 3 things. Don't be a jerk, don't feel entitled, and don't be late. Thank you so much for watching Road Trip Central. Share this video with your friends that like to travel or have to travel for work, and subscribe to our channel for more great car content and the chance to win some free stuff. We'll see you soon.